Hello and welcome to the WSYWYG HD sign design tutorials, the design section. In this design section, I'm going to show you how to import images. For example, I already have here a hamburger. I'm going to show you how to bring in a picture of an image of food, my logo, my icons, and also create a slideshow. Now, as you can see here, I have my blank frame ready to go. Now I'm going to come over to the left hand side, which is a toolbox section, and I'm going to find images. I'm going to click images, drag and drop. Now as you can see, this opened up my dialog box. I'm going to go ahead and select my hamburger PNG file. Now as you can see, this is way too big. I want to scale. So to scale properly, hold on to the lower right hand side of your image and then scale up or down. This actually will hold scale properly without distorting your image. I want to place my hamburger right about there. So now I want to be able to bring in my logo. So for that, I go back over to the toolbox section, images, drag and drop, select my predetermined PNG logo file, place it, properly scale by holding the lower right hand side. I want to right about there in the middle section. Now that I've created my hamburger, my logo, I want to bring in my icons. I do the same thing, come over to the toolbox, image, drag and drop. I go ahead and select my social media icons. Those are still way too big. So I want to properly scale by holding the lower right hand side, placing it right about there. Now, as you can see it, I've went ahead and placed a hamburger, a logo, and my PNG social media logos. So now I want to go ahead and create a slideshow. For that, you're going to come over to the left hand side of the toolbox section, and in the images section, you're going to click on slideshow, and you're going to do the same thing. Click, drag and drop. This is going to open up your your dialog properties box. So here, as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and select predetermined chicken sandwich 1, and by holding shift, I'm going to multi-select all 3 of them. So HD chicken 1, hold shift, HD chicken 2, HD chicken 3. Then I'll click open, and that'll bring my slideshow images in. So to resize properly, go ahead and hold the lower right hand side, bring it into about there, and then place it on your working area wherever you would like. Now, to go ahead and actually look into the transition effects and to look into the style of my slideshow, you want to double click on it, and that's going to open up the slideshow property box. Here's my 3 chicken sandwich files, my sequence, my pause time. I want it to be about 5 seconds. For my animation, I want it to be a fade animation, and I want the duration to be about 2. I want to further stylize my slideshow, and I want to give it a frame color, so I'm going to leave it solid black. I'm going to give it a 2 width pixel, and then I also want rounded corners at 20 radius. Now once I've selected my general transition options and my style, I want to go ahead and click OK. As you can see, this went ahead and stylized my slideshow. Now always click to save as you proceed with your work. To save is always at the upper left hand corner, right next to preview and right next to publish. Alright, so now that we've gone ahead and placed our hamburger, our logo, and our icon in our slideshow, we want to go ahead and preview. So for that, just come over to the little globe icon here with the little preview icon and click preview. This will open up my browser, and this will allow us to preview exactly what we've worked on. And as you can see here, we have our hamburger, we have our logo, we have our slideshow. And as you can see there, our slideshow has been